Well, it's Friday, so I assume we can call this the official start to a holiday weekend. From concerts to food, lots of free stuff to take advantage of. Here's Daphne Monroe with your Freebie Friday.
It's that time of the week where I share with you some free stuff. On June 1st, it is International Children's Day, and to celebrate, you can take your kids to the Arizona Science Center for free. The Arizona Science Center is partnering with Cox Communication to give you this freebie. On Tuesday, June 1st, head over to the Science Center with your most recent Cox Communications bill, and you will get 2 kids into the center for free, with an adult-paid admission. If you like free food for your kids, then Rustler's Roost in Phoenix will be your place this summer. Starting May 28th until September 6th, kids 12 and under can eat for free with each adult-paid entree. Don't sit at home bored. Check out Summer Concert Series at Kierland Commons. Starting June 5th, every Friday from 7 p.m. until 10 p.m., they will have various concerts at the Center Plaza at Kierland Commons. The first concert is on June 5th, and they will feature Beatles Tribute Band. The series goes through July 31st. I'll have a link to all the concerts playing throughout the summer, and on our website, all the details I mentioned. Just go to abc15.com, click on the Money tab, and right there you'll see the Smart Shopper section. And I'll see you tonight at 5 with some more freebies to help kick off your weekend. I'm Daphne Monroe, your Smart Shopper.